Good morning, student. In previous class, we started chapter number 4, working with tables. You already learned how to make table in MS Word. Now, more option in table. Page number 38. Modifying a table. How to modify a table. See, firstly start MS Word. But make table. How to make table? Go on insert tab. There is an option table. There is two methods, by using table grade, by using insert table dialog box. Click on insert table. Now there is a dialog box. Give size 3 columns, 4 row. 3 column, 4 row. Now click OK. Now more option with table. See here 3 column, 1, 2, 3 column and 4 rows. Now inserting column and row in a table. Inserting column and rows in a table. Now, how to insert column? There is two method. Move on. Again insert tab. There is an option table. There is an option table or right click on particular. Suppose you want to increase 2 more columns. Then select 2 columns. Then right click. There is an option insert. Insert column. Insert rows. Column inserted to the left, to the right. Column will inserted to the left, to the right. Rows will inserted above or below. Insert column to the left. You can see these 2 columns inserted to the left. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column. Now to the right. Suppose you want to insert column to the right. Now firstly type some matter. Name, city, then address. Now you want to insert column. Right click. Insert column to the right. If you select only one column, then one column will inserted. You select more column, then more column will inserted. Click insert column to the right. See here right side. Insert one column. Now rows. Here type some matter. Ajay, city, Sagar, address 1, Macronia, now if you want to insert 2 more rows, here second name Vinod, city Jabalpur, AB Road, anything. Now insert rows. Select rows. If you select 2 rows, then 2 row will inserted. If you not select any row, then 1 row will inserted. Now right click, insert option. There is an option insert rows above. Above means up. Insert rows below. Below means bottom. Insert rows above. Click on insert row above. See here these 2 rows inserted above of these rows. Suppose you want to insert rows below, then select these rows. Now right click, then insert rows below. See here these 2 rows inserted below of these particular text. This is row and column insertion. Now deleting Suppose you want to delete add one and add column, then select these two column, then right click, there is an option of delete columns. These two columns will deleted. Now you delete these two rows or one row, select these two row, then right click, then select delete option, delete cell, delete entire row. Select this, right click, then delete cell, delete entire row. You can see these two row will deleted. Next video you learn formatting option in table.